Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this pattern and they're a little bit different. I don't know which one to do. This one's easier. This is a really easy pattern. At first I thought he said he's going to cut out a vinyl cutter. I thought he needed the gaps or the spaces. He said he doesn't need it. I still don't understand why or what he's going to do, because if he cuts this all out, he's just going to have a bunch of pieces. But I thought I'd just show you, you need something symmetrical, so we're going to make this thing 3 inches by 1.5. Okay, I'm going to rotate that one 45 degrees. I'm going to control D, and I'm going to basically mirror it or rotate it a negative 45 degrees. Now I'm going to zoom in here, and I'm going to put that node right. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Take the pick tool and grab that node right there and have it snap to it. Now, Control D and make a duplicate, bringing it straight down and having it snap to there, and then Control D, Control D, Control D. You can go as far as you want. Then I'd go ahead and group that, Control G, then Control D, and then move. See that 4-point cross? Move it to right there, and then once you've done it correctly the first time, you can copy it over and delete it. I mean, once you start over, you've got to start with a new one. But if you hit it on the mark, then you can Control D. And there's that pattern. Now to make them hairlines, I'd make them red and make sure they're hairline. I still don't understand. Maybe he'll get back to me and I'll figure out a different way. But this is kind of a pattern there. This ribbon, if we were going to call it, would be going underneath these two. And this one is going underneath these two. So if you made it like that and let's alternate the colors. Let's make it a gray on this second one. See how it's going underneath those two. And then this is just a single, but it's going underneath this. Well, not a good example because that one doesn't finish. But if we made the other one, let's make it just a different color. And if we did these two we'd want to make a different color on every other one. But it looks like it's, this one is going underneath these two. Now, realistically, well, that'd be right. So that black one is going underneath these two. The gray was going underneath these two. But then this next one's going to be black or a different color. And it's going to be, that blue is going to be going underneath that one. I'm hoping that's what he was wanting. If not, I'll make another video tomorrow. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.